Hey guys, happy Thursday. It is April the 16th. We're back with another 2 workouts. Starting off for part A, we have a workout for time. We will perform 50 jumping squats, followed by 30 repetitions of today's complex and 50 jumping squats. The complex today is 1 power clean and 2 front rack lunges. So 1 repetition will equal 1 power clean and 2 lunges, 1 on each side. Again, that workout is 50 squats, 30 repetitions of the complex, 50 jumping squats, all for time. For part B today, we have a death by. Today is a death by 2 burpees every minute. So on the first minute, you will perform 2 burpees. On the second minute, you will perform 4. You will continue adding 2 reps to each minute until you can no longer perform the work in the given minute. Good luck. We're excited to hear how you did.